What? I gave you a treat already. Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Stoley. And Gigi. Oh man, Sunday, April 2nd. Look what I started. Look what I started. Okay, stop it. Sunday morning, April 2nd, 2023. Stop it. A little after 7 in the morning. It's around 40 degrees, windy, clear skies. An amazing, amazing day today's gonna be. They say it's gonna be a high of 65. Can't wait. Peter and I will be heading out to Pittsburgh later this afternoon. And tomorrow, we're gonna be installing, with the help from Precision Heating and Cooling over in Pittsburgh, that Bosch IDS 2.0 system for that family who reached out to me just last weekend. Today, a week ago today, I received that letter in the mail. Well, actually came Saturday, but I didn't read it. Didn't open it until Sunday when I got to my shop, blah, blah, blah. But look how amazing that is. Look at how amazing that is. Not even, well, a week later, we're going to be installing a brand new Bosch IDS 2.0 heat pump system with the Bosch 96%, 60,000 BTU, multiple stage gas-fired furnace for this family. I feel so humbled and blessed that I'm in a position where we can actually get that done for them, this needy family. Amazing. Amazing. God works in mysterious ways, I'll tell you. God works in mysterious ways. You know, we're approaching, two major holidays in the world. And one is Passover, and the other one is Easter. And what's interesting about both is that they both, were meant to deliver people away from despair, whether it be slavery or sin. And it's interesting how, the calendar for Easter and Passover, always gets modified. So it coincides with the beginning of spring. Beginning of spring, we see tulips bloom out of the bulbs from the ground and display their beautiful colors. Warm weather comes to those who had a cold, maybe dreary, snowy winter. But it's quite amazing. And how amazing is it that here we are in the first week of April, traveling to Western Pennsylvania, the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, to deliver a reliable and sound HVAC system for a family in need. Wow. Yeah, I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but there's nothing like spring. The tulips blooming, flowers coming up. It's just beautiful. And gives the opportunity for the dogs to run around. They really haven't been running around all winter long because it's cold and nasty outside. But this guy, man. Yeah. But it also reminds me of this. And this is what happens when you stay home for Pesach. Imagine walking into your pantry, all right? And you see this. Chametz, do not open. Oh man. Yep. The joys of staying home for Passover. In the Jewish Orthodox world, most, not all, go away with the family and friends on a program for 10, 11 days. And my family normally does the same thing too, but keeping it real, I was too cheap this year. Yeah, that Porsche took it all out of me. Well, in all actuality, I didn't want to leave these guys with the trainer and the dog sitter. And my in-laws' Wi-Fi sucks, so we're home. Right, Chi-Chi? You happy? Yeah. So I just wanted to create a short little video, give you guys a little update. Hope you're all having a great and amazing weekend. Tomorrow I'm going to be live streaming the Bosch install on the Mikey Pipes YouTube channel, and I'll be recording content for the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy channel. If you'd like to donate to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization, you can do so through PayPal. It's a tax-deductible donation. You'll get a receipt from the company, the organization. You can use that for tax purposes. If you're a wholesaler, distributor, or even a manufacturer, you want to help donate to the cause, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. We can put you into a database and keep you updated when, maybe there's something that we could, mesh together and make it all happen. But I'm quite honored. I'm so happy, and I'm just ecstatic that a week ago today, I was reading that letter on the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy channel, and the next day secured the equipment from Bosch. But even better than that, an hour after dropping that video, Justin from Precision, and I'm pretty sure it's Precision Heating and Cooling over in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, reached out to me. We spoke on the phone. He went out there, sized everything up, and is gonna do the install, and me and Peter are gonna be there to, assist, do what we can. But it's an amazing group of people, the whole Bosch Thermal Technology organization, especially Sal Brunetto, and Justin, of course, Precision Heating and Cooling. Thank you so much, guys. Stick around. See you tomorrow.